I'm going to tell you 3 things you need to know before you buy a home, and it's coming up right now. Hello and welcome. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Matthew Tortorelli, and I'm a mortgage loan officer in Arizona, California, and Texas. And if you like great content like this, consider subscribing. Now, point number 1, before you buy a home, things you should consider. How about what are your current monthly obligations? As you know, one of the most important things when you buy a house is going to be your debt-to-income ratio. So is there a credit card you can pay off? Do you have student loans? If you do, what are the monthly payments on them? Can you wait to lease that new car? That's a popular one. Are you buying a car? Are you leasing a car? Can you wait on that? That's the first thing I'd keep in mind. Okay. Point number 2. Think about where your down payment's coming from. If you have your down payment saved, is it in the bank? Because it needs to be. If it's cash in your mattress, that could pose a problem. Are you getting a gift from a family member? Have you talked to a lender to make sure that the type of loan that you're looking for allows for gift down payment? And last but not least, if you're looking to do down payment assistance, have you talked to a lender to make sure you meet all the criteria for down payment assistance? Because, against popular belief, there's actually quite a few criteria for down payment assistance, and you should know for sure whether or not you qualify before you get your hopes up. Okay? Third thing that you need to keep in mind is consider how much you're willing to spend per month on your monthly payment. What is the maximum number you're willing to go up to? Keep in mind things like homeowners insurance and property taxes. Make sure you're getting the best deal on your homeowners insurance. Make sure the area you're buying in, if you're buying in an expensive area tax-wise, if you're in California especially, you need to keep that in mind on top of your principal and interest payment when you're estimating your payments.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Please make sure you smash that like button and leave a comment below. I will be there to continue the conversation. And if you like this content, please make sure to subscribe and follow me on social media. That's Instagram @TheMortgageDon and Facebook as Matthew Tortorelli, Loan Officer. Thank you again, and have a great one, everyone.